Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost web browsers in your OPPO A77s. So the first one, Opera. In this web browser, just click on here on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. That's it. The Firefox. If you have this welcoming screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus to add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot icon or arrow icon, switch to new Incognito tab, and now in this mode, your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even the learned words from the keyword will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.